Alright, you guys, so this is the wig from Yolissa Hair, and I'm just gonna show you all of it. It's body weight, and it is a 24-inch lace front wig. I already adjusted the clips on the inside, as you guys can see, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it on. I'm now just gonna go ahead and cut around my ears. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut off any excess lace. And now I'm just pulling it from side to side, just like this. I think that I'm actually gonna be doing a side part. I'm now gonna take the So Melted lace glue and I'm just gonna put it down my forehead. Now I'm gonna go ahead and begin to lay my lace down. I'm gonna go ahead now and put on my melt band and just let that sit for a little bit. In the meantime of me having on my melt band, I'm gonna go ahead now and hot comb my hair and basically define my side part a little bit better. But for the most part, I did go in and basically carve out where I'd want it to be. So now I'm just gonna take my wax stick, slick down this area, hot comb it, and hot comb it down. Alright, you guys, so I zoomed you guys in a little closer so I can now begin my baby hairs. And comment down below and let me know what y'all think about the beads. I think I did good on my makeup. Like, let me know what y'all think. I think I did my thing on this bead. Before I begin my baby hairs, I'm just gonna like define my part a little bit better. See right there, it's a bit over bleached, but I will fix that towards the end. So now I'm just going to be taking my baby hair glue. You guys can purchase this off my website. This is my hair gel. So I'm just going to be taking that and doing my baby hairs. I'm also going to be going in with my razor and trimming down the long strings of hair. So basically I'll just put them between my finger and trim just like that. I'm now going to take my edge piece that I had to re-glue and glue it back down. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and did my baby hairs and I love them. You know how I am with my baby hairs. And lately my baby hairs, to me my baby hairs haven't been giving what it usually gives, but it's giving. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it just like this for maybe like 10 minutes or so. Okay guys, so I'm gonna begin wand curling my hair. I'm gonna be using the Bedhead Tiggy wand curler. I purchased it at Sally's. It was under $40 and it also has one level of heat. So I'm gonna end up parting out my hair. I am gonna show you guys how I section out my hair really quick. I'm gonna part out right here and I'm just gonna braid this up. I'm gonna put it into a braid. I'm only gonna braid it halfway through because once I actually got it in a braid, it's actually not gonna come out. And then I'm just gonna do this whole section right here. And I'm just gonna part that in a braid. So the hair is already in a body wave pattern, so it will be easy for me to go ahead and just wand curl and everything. I won't be able to show you guys me wand curling the back, so I'm gonna start with the back. Once I finish wand curling the back, then I'll come to the front and show you guys how it's going from the front. But I am gonna take off my melt band also, so I can basically show you guys how everything melted in so far. So, whew, I just feel like the weight has been lifted off my hair. So this is how the baby hairs ended up looking, and I actually like them. Everything looks pretty crispy and clean. I'm not gonna go ahead and just wand curl the back. Once the back is fully wand curled, I'll come back on the camera and show you guys me wand curling the front part so you can see. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm just simply going in with my Sleek Mist spray. I'm spraying out the area first, and then I'm just gonna give it a little comb. I take like a nice sized chunk, probably like this much, and I take my wand curler and I just twirl it just like this. Make sure you guys are like wrapping it around and not curling it around flatly. Make sure it's kind of chunky, because that's what makes your beautiful wand curls. Y'all, I've been burning my fingers so bad. And after that, do not let it drop. Hold it in your hand because it's super, super hot. You want to, oops, a piece fell. You want to just squeeze it till it cools down. I like to give it a shake and a squeeze. And then after that, it's cooled down, and then I'll let it go. And after that too, I like to just take my hands and basically just spread out the wand curl. And there it goes. There was a wand curl. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same to the other side. Alright you guys, so it's been a long time coming, but I am now officially at my final wand curl. So I'm just gonna take my hair, flip it over to this side. Now I'm just gonna take my comb. Oops, hold on. Take my comb and go like that. So yeah, this is how they look. This is now officially the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead now and just do some small adjustments, like my parting. I'm gonna take my mascara and I'm just gonna lighten out, smallen out my part right here. And right there. Voila. So let me just drop my chair down some. So this is the hair and this is how it falls on me. This is a 24-inch. Once I wand curled it, it did get a little shrunker more, but honestly it goes with the flow. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look for the tutorial. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like it. And make sure you guys check out Yolissa Hair for some bomb, affordable, quality hair. Also, I will have all the descriptions linked down below of this hair. And, you know, comment down below. Let me know some things you guys want to see me try. Let me know if you want to see a baby bump update. Alright guys, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Yolissa Hair for some nice, bomb, affordable, quality hair.